Welcome back. Travel has been a big topic here with Dream Vacations, and we have Diane Mendoza here of Dream Vacations, and also Suze Angel, who is here to talk about a different kind of movement for body, mind, spirit. And so first we'll start with Diane. Tell me a little bit about the upcoming cruise that you guys are doing.
Well, we have an amazing opportunity. We are on our way to Alaska, which is a beautiful destination. And what we're doing is encourage everybody to get out of that recliner and move with us and have a great time doing so.
Okay, so now you're going to be taking, I think you said the Princess Cruise Lines, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, and that's going to be in September, and it's in conjunction with the Wellness Club. So it's Leslie Coretti, and then Suze, you're going to be doing a specific type of movement. Tell me about that.
It's called Brain Body Fitness.
Okay.
And it's based on the work of Moshe Feldenkrais method. Okay. I've been doing this for many, many years. This is what, after I had an injury in my 30s, what enabled me to regain my movement capacity. I had major back issues. And so I've been teaching and working with people here in Laguna Woods for over 30 years.
Wow. Tell me the difference between what your kind of movement is and maybe just a standard stretching.
Well, when you think about stretching or Pilates or yoga, what you're doing frequently, and sometimes people can injure themselves because they try to actually stretch the muscles which don't stretch. You can tear ligaments and tendons, those attached to the bones. And so the muscle has to lengthen. So when you do a movement, you will bend and straighten by contracting, and then the muscle has to release.
Okay.
So sometimes you get spasms or you get stiff.
Yeah. And
if you force, then you can injure yourself. Okay. So this is engaging your brain, and it moves slowly. It's based on the way babies move. They move easily. We, as we get older, get a little stiffer. We have a little more trouble. And so if we can go back to doing movements like a baby does, you'll notice that babies are little round, little balls. They roll around. They roll to sit. So you can go to the gym, and a lot of these movements in the gym are very angular. And so you lose the flexibility that allows you to move sideways. You may strengthen the muscle in a particular plane, but you don't have that movement capability and the strength in another plane.
Okay, so that's interesting.
Yeah.
All right, good. Okay, so how will you be incorporating this on the cruise itself?
Well, we'll have classes in the morning or sometime when you're not seeing anything beautiful at sea. And so you can go out dancing the night before. You'll be nice and limber after the class. And if you do a little bit too much, the next day you can come in and recover.
Good.
And so it's kind of like, you know how cats and dogs, they move in the morning.
Right.
We head for the coffee maker, right? So instead of heading for the coffee maker, you can come and you can learn how you can keep yourself going and keep that flexibility.
All right, excellent. All right, good. So Diane, let's talk a little bit about the actual cruise itself and what are some of the fun things you guys are going to do.
Well, we're departing out of the Port of Los Angeles, which is easy, no flight to be concerned about. It's a beautiful 12-day Inside Passage itinerary, so all those beautiful ports of call. And Glacier Bay will be the highlight of the trip. And there's some wonderful tours to enhance your time on board the ship. And most recently, I did a float plane over to the Taku Lodge, which was really cool because I got to see and fly over 5 glaciers.
Oh, wow.
And then enjoy a nice lunch. So it was a nice experience. And then a little dog sledding. I thought that was pretty incredible how the dogs all interact and kind of fought with each other a little bit along the way, but it was a fun experience.
Competing probably, I'm going to go faster than you type thing.
We do come back on the 29th, so it's a lovely 12-day getaway, and it's a beautiful ship, actually the newest Princess ship to come over to the West Coast. So we're excited about that as well.
Yeah, we have a picture of what's called a skywalk?
It's a sea walk.
Oh, sea walk. So what is it?
So it's actually cantilevered past the ship, so you're really, and it's all glass, so when you're walking along it, you can actually see the water below you.
Oh, that must be kind of a vertigo thing.
But it should be great for
yeah, look at it, it's beautiful.
Can you imagine looking at Glacier Bay through that?
Oh,
so
yeah.
it'd be really nice.
Yeah, oh, that's nice. And then you said there were some tours on on land. Will you be able to walk on one of the glaciers? Is that one of them?
You could if you wanted to.
Okay.
Yes, absolutely. That possibility is always there. Usually you get there by helicopter first and then you'll land on a glacier.
Oh my gosh, that sounds so exciting. All right, so if anyone wants to know more information, then we have your phone number and your email address, and it's Dream Vacations, so it's d.mendoza@dreamvacations.com, or you can call Diane at 949-652-5177. Perfect. Anything additional you'd like to say?
Well, I just read in AARP that going on a cruise is a good way to improve your balance.
Oh, well, there
Because
you
you have a balance challenge.
That's right.
So what you're going to learn in class is ways to really deal with keeping your balance, and you'll have all these long hallways to walk down and practice and get exercise.
Perfect.
And we also have Susan Tuttle joining us, so she'll be doing her
Oh,
Chair
that's
Pilates
right.
on board. And
Yeah.
knowing Susan's energy, we're going to Macarena all the way to Alaska and back.
Sounds perfect. Thank you very much for the
And then you
information.
can recover in the Feldenkrais class the next
She's like, Susan's going to be the initiator, and you're going to be the recoverer. All right.
I'm really good at party stuff too.
Sounds excellent. Thank you again.
Thank you, Lisa.
And remember, if you guys want more information about this fabulous cruise and all the fun movements and exercise you're going to be doing, just go ahead and contact the information on our screen. We'll be right back. You guys-